Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel if you like to watch my videos. Also, don't forget to activate the bell in order to get notifications. Bhagsunag Waterfalls. After visiting Dalai Lama temple at Mcleod Ganj, we headed towards Bhagsunag Waterfalls, also called as Bhagsu Waterfalls. The waterfalls is a 10-minute walk from Mcleod Ganj Dharamshala. Please go through my playlist on travel plan to India for more details on our visit to India. Link for the playlist is provided under this video's description. Bhagsunag Waterfalls is amongst one of the most famous attractions of Mcleod Ganj. It is located in the serene village of Bhagsu. Bhagsu Waterfalls is considered as one of the top 20 waterfalls in India. Many visitors come here due to the presence of Lord Shiva temple. Due to the weather conditions and time constraint, we couldn't do the trek to Shiva temple, but we enjoyed the view while having our lunch at Sandy's kitchen, which offered beautiful mountain views. I enjoyed thoroughly every second spent there with the stunning views of the mountains and the lush green trees. While having our scrumptious meal, I have set my iPhone to time-lapse mode with the help of a selfie stick and found that the outcome is brilliant. Please have a look at the time-lapse and let me know in the comment section if you have enjoyed the picturesque views of the beautiful mountains and the waterfall. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and activate the bell in order to get all the notifications.